Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. And busy foolish is the last class. At the present that busy foolish.
They're worse than lazy foolish.
Huh?
That's worse than lazy foolish.
Okay. Lazy foolish is foolish, but he is lazy, he will not do so harm. But the busy foolish, he will simply create harm. At the present the population is busy foolish. So we are creating lazy intelligence. An intelligent man must be lazy, otherwise how he can act intelligent? Sober. All right, let me consider. You cannot hope that intelligent man will give his decision immediately.
He can be called lazy, but that's not tama guna.
That is sobriety. Modern tendency is to create busy foolish. The communist, the busy foolish. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,